In the heart of the Arabian desert, during the 7th century, a remarkable event reshaped the spiritual landscape of the time. Amongst the hustling and bustling of the city of Mecca, a man by the name of Muhammad, son of Abdullah, sought solitude and reflection away from the ills of society. Muhammad was known for his integrity, earning him the nickname Al-Amin, the trustworthy. It was during one of his meditative retreats in the cave of Hira, atop the mountain Jabal al-Nur, that revelation descended upon him. The angel Gabriel, appeared before him. Muhammad, startled and apprehensive, was embraced by Jibril, who commanded him to read. But Muhammad was unlettered, unable to read or write. Then, for the second time, Jibril embraced him and said again, "Read." Trembling, Muhammad replied, "I cannot read." A third embrace came, and Jibril proclaimed, "Read in the name of your Lord." At first, the message was conveyed quietly to close family and friends, with his wife Khadijah and his cousin Ali being among the first to embrace Islam. Gradually, as the message of Islam began to spread, it faced opposition. The people of Mecca, rooted in idolatry, saw this new monotheist faith as a threat. Despite the animosity and challenges, Prophet Muhammad remained steadfast, advocating for the poor, the weak, and the marginalized. Prophet Muhammad's message was not just a theological one, it was also social reform. He preached the importance of justice, compassion, and equality. Women were given rights unheard of in that society, and the emancipation of slaves was encouraged. This period was marked by several notable incidents, such as the migration to Abyssinia, where early Muslims sought refuge under a Christian king, and the Hijra, the migration to Medina. Upon settling in Medina, the Prophet established a community based on mutual cooperation and respect among various faith communities. The Constitution of Medina was a pioneering document that granted rights and responsibilities to Muslims, Jews, and others in the city, emphasizing unity and peace. Prophet Muhammad's life is adorned with numerous examples of forgiveness, generosity, and wisdom. During the conquest of Mecca, despite years of persecution by the Quraysh, he entered the city without vengeance, declaring a general amnesty for all his former enemies. This remarkable act of forgiveness is a testament to his character and a pivotal moment in Islamic history. The light of Islam continued to spread, and Prophet Muhammad's message was completed with his final pilgrimage, where he delivered the farewell sermon. He reminded his followers of the essential principles of Islam, urging them to uphold justice, avoid oppression, and maintain unity. Today, the legacy of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lives on through the billions who follow his teachings and strive to embody his principles of peace, justice, and compassion. His story remains a beacon of hope and guidance for those seeking truth and a better world. The story of Prophet Muhammad teaches us the power of faith, resilience, and the transformative impact of compassionate leadership.